Say hi. Say hi, Grandma, Trudy, and Papa.
Hi, Grandma, Trudy, and Papa.
Say, for Christmas, I want a pillow pet. What kind of pillow pet? What kind of pillow pet? You don't know? What kind of pillow pet?
A ladybug with red on it.
With red on it. And you want Mickey Mouse?
Money.
You want a Mickey Mouse money. That's funny. So you could see him next time. And, okay, what is the big thing that you want? Sing me the song for...
Christmas is with the one.
Get smashed. And do you have any Christmas songs you want to sing them? You want to sing a Christmas song? Like Rudolph or Jingle Bells? Where'd you go?
Jingle bells.
Over here by the tree.
Jingle bells.
Sing it.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. It's too fun. It's too fun. One open sled. Hey. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. It's too fun. It's too fun. One open sled. Hey.
All right, say Merry Christmas and blow them kisses. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Blow me a kissy. All right, love you. Say love you.
I love you.